Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to make a tutorial that none of you asked for. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna show you on how to make, set up the house from the addon destroyable house prop. I think that was it. Anyways, this is how it. Wait, it's blocking the view. Oh, where am I? So yeah, first of all, you're gonna need this entire thing in the construction site. So to get this, by the way, you need the addon destroyable house prop for this to work. But if you don't, just don't watch this video. Anyways, just go to the spawn menu, spawn lists, and just click on destruction test something, I don't know. So it's gonna show you deployer tool house. So there's two options, in English and in Russian. For the option right there in the table. So you just click on, press on this, and spawn it at any place. Building, on top of a building, the water, or inside a building, inside another house, in a desert, like in this place, like where I placed it. Anyways, so now that you've got it spawned on your specific place, you just go to that table here and wait. Hey you. Have you guys made any progress yet?
No, sir. We haven't made any progress, Red.
What? Can you say that again?
No, sir. We haven't made any progress, Red.
I don't understand what you're saying. Never mind, just don't say it again. So, are you guys dumb?
No, we're not dumb, sir. It's gonna take 5 days for the house to be done, sir.
Are you serious? Did you just forget what I told you? What I said is, I will punch you right out. So, to the viewers, you just approach this table, the screen, and just pick any weapon, but just pick a crowbar. So you can just click any here or any place. Yeah, what it says here is you are here in the red circle. Stay near the table for avoid stuck in prop issue. So yeah, place the deployer on flat and big surface, then hit it somewhere to spawn building. Yeah, so you just hit it violently. Oh, so yeah, that's the house. Yeah, that's the house, guys.
Oh, so that's why there's a table in the center.
Okay, you said that properly. Should have shot you in the head. Okay, anyways, I'm not gonna harm any of my men. So yeah, guys, that's how you make an house or set up the house. So why's there a mug in here? So, and by the way, you need this on a flat surface like this part in here. You need it in a flat surface, not on rough surfaces. Ignore that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Oh wait, this is Zakhaev. Let me just make a small hole.
Oh, there's fire
now they're quiet. Yeah, I just ignore what happened. So yeah, let me just. So yeah, guys, that's how you set up a house for the addon. Art, where is still alive? Anyways, for the addon destroyable house prop. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and by the way, tomorrow's my younger brother's birthday. So yeah. Anyway, never mind. See you guys in the next video. Okay, I seriously need to stop doing this. Freddy, stop!